Hello everyone, we've got yet another mod manager for Gates of Hell game, but this one is more advanced than the Mr. Cookie one. No offense to Mr. Cookie, of course, because without his mod manager we would be able to actually play the game with the modes in the proper order, as the mod manager in the game that built in the main menu is totally broken till today. So we've got this mod manager. His author is Chunchunmaru. Sorry if I spell it wrong. And what you're gonna do is subscribe it, and once you subscribe it, I already did it. You have to find it in the mods folder for the Gates of Hell. You will click here to the Gates of Hell Ostfront, Manage, Show Local Files, and we are in the folder of the Gates of Hell, but we are gonna go back here to the GOH Mod Manager, and you can see over here on the top the last three numbers 6, 4, 9. So we are going back to Steam library on this partition. So you got Steam apps. You're not going to common where the games are, but to workshop, content. 400750 is Gates of Hell folder. As you can see, I got 50 gigabytes. So that's bad. And the number we are seeking is 649, the last four numbers, and this is the last one. And you got here files for the Linux and files for the Windows. As I suspect you are using Windows probably, but the Linux users also can use this mod manager, which is a huge thing actually, because I'm using dual boot and I got Windows and Linux, and the previous mod manager from the Mr. Cookie could be launched only via Wine, or I don't remember that program. So we are going to mod manager Windows, this folder to the desktop, which is also recommend, because if you will do the shortcut for the desktop like me, once the mod manager will be updated, and those files will be also updated, and there are some settings we will set right in a minute. So once the mod will be updated, some settings might be lost. That's why you should copy the mod folder, whole folder here. And we are launching mod manager. As you can see, I got set up already, made setup. First screen you will see is this user guide. Initial setup. On first land you need to configure two imported paths. Mods directory. This is the Steam library. You are interested only in the partition where your game is stored. So as you can see on the address bar, we are going back to the gry Steam. For me, this is in the Polish, but you can name the library whatever you want. And this is in the settings. That was over here. So you got in the settings and disk space, disk management. I don't know how it's named in the English. And as you can see, I got two Steam libraries, disk E and disk D. And on disk D I got these games. On disk E I don't have anything. But we are interested in the disk D. So whenever you will want to search for the mods you have downloaded for Gates of Hell, you go to the Steam library folder on the same partition that is Gates of Hell installed, workshop, content, this number is always the same, and you got your mods for the Gates of Hell that you download via workshop. That's pretty simple. They are always stored in this path, and this folder is your name, your own name that you set when you set up a Steam library folder. So we are in the mod manager. You have to set up the path to the mods, which we know right now how it is. Wait, that was preference. And that's gonna be your first things to do. So you set up this path and the options set. The options set is the place where game will read what mods it have activated. So as you can see, you can find the options set in two locations. For me, that's this one. And as you probably saw under my previous tutorial to the Mr. Cookie Mod Manager, I was a little lost when people told me they don't have options set in this location. But you can go here if you got that option set here, My Games. And as you can see, for me this is Windows 10. All games that I was playing from Digital Mindsoft, Barbed Wise Studios, they all store their save game and settings over here. The Gates of Hell, Faces of War, Call to Arms, Men of War, Assault Squad 2, Men of War, Condemned Heroes, and that's it. I didn't install more of them, probably. So we are interested in the Gates of Hell profiles. You've got always in the profiles you got always two folders. One is always offline, but we are not interested in this one. We are interested in the second, and this is unique number of your profile, Steam profile. And right here you got options set. So you got the address, My Documents, My Games, Gates of Hell, Profiles, etc. And you got here. And the second possible location is see users. You know what, we're gonna see this because maybe there is also present in the second folder. Users, Michael, app, data, local, because that was this one. Digital Mindsoft. We don't have this folder here. So we got in the first location, and once you set this up, you're gonna see this window, and it's so simple that it can be easier. On the middle window you got currently activated mods, and if this is your daily setup and that you play every day, I suggest you to save this preset. You enter the name here and click Save Preset, and you will see this preset over here. On the left window you got available mods, and this is something that is crazy for me. That is import mod. So you can import mods from any other folder, not only the Steam Workshop folder. That's very needed function for this for any mod manager, because if you are mod creator, you are making the mod in the, not uploading it to the Steam Workshop first. That's very useful. You can activate your mods that you're making from this place. So if you only using the Steam Workshop, you got your all mods that you subscribe on the left side. But let's just say your friend asks you, hey, let's play, I don't know, Conquest Enhanced 2 with some cheat and play on the Barashka map. So you're deleting all your mods from here. That's your activated mods. So you are activating Conquest Enhance, the cheat and the Barashka. And your friends will be super happy to see you got the same mod order that he have. So right now we can if you gonna play with your friend on this mod sets later on, you can save this, for example, for a special friend. Save preset, and you can see this has been saved. So let's say you have played a lot with your friend, but your friend got sick and he can't play. So you can choose from here your daily mods and you can play alone again. That's super simple, and actually I didn't see anywhere save button, so those mods are applied automatically. This is super simple. This is even easier than Mr. Cookie Mod Manager. You can also disable mods mod information window that was here. So it's even simpler right now. It can't be any simpler. Available mods, activated mods, and your presets. And also I'm not sure, I probably may do something wrong, but for the daily usage you can use the presets for your own gameplay and activate mods of your desire. The last mod override files from previous mods if they share the same files. So that's pretty straightforward from what we have in the game. So we got active mods free. I will show you how it works. I'm not sure if those modes are compatible with each other. I made it just for presentation. And yeah, that was the extras. You got Barashka, Cheat and Conquest Enhance activated. That's totally different order that we have set, but it's not doesn't matter really. And we want to set switch to the daily load. Yeah, we are using the daily, and we don't have to click apply changes or anything like that. We are just closing the game. We are launching the game, sorry, and those mods should be activated right now. And as you can see, they are. And I'm not sure this order is correct, but it's working. But as you can see, this is different order that we have set in the mod manager, so it looks like game mod manager still sets its own orders of mods. But as you can see, it's work. Once you set up your paths to the options set and the mods folder, you got on the left available mods, activated mods on the middle, and presets on the right. Simple as that. There is nothing more to explain actually. So thanks again if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one.